Hi intentionals, and welcome back to my channel. To my new subscribers, I really want to say thank you and welcome to the family. To the old subscribers, there is no this channel without you. I am very grateful. Thank you so very much. So on today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your own whitening organic cream base from the scratch. Yes, no need of going to buy already made. You're going to learn how to do it all by yourself. And you'll be able to save money or make money, because some persons just sell base creams. All right. First thing is sanitize your work area, because you need a very clean environment to avoid microbes. All right?
Your support matters. With 90% of our viewers yet to subscribe, we need your help to keep creating engaging content. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let us know where you're watching from. Leave your city in the comments below.
So I'm using e-wax for this production. You already see my scale here. We're using 130 grams of e-wax. You can measure with your core, but with your core you might not get the actual measurement, so it's good you go to get your scale. All right, so next thing we'll be making use of is cetyl alcohol. All right, then the next one is stearic acid. Don't worry, I will have to write down the measurements at the end of the video, so do well to watch to the end of the video so you get the measurements. Here I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any oil, but make sure you don't use oil that is very heavy. All right, remember I'm going to use this thing for cream. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any other oil of your choice. Now we have to double boil it. At this point, our water should be on fire already as we are double boiling. Okay, because we're going to use water, hot water. It's not going to be boiled water, you understand, but it's going to be hot. Okay, now my the oil phase has dissolved. My water is ready. Don't add oil to water, add water to oil. Do you understand? Now I took it into another bowl, pour it, then introduce my water to it. Okay, and I had to mix it very well. Allow it to get cold a little. When it has getting cold, it thickens up. One thing you will not fail to do is to make sure that you have a thick base cream, because if it's not thick, you're going to have a watery or lighter cream at the end of the day. Remember, you are going to use this thing to pro-mix or to do cream or whatever you're going to do with it. So if it is thick from the beginning, it will give you a good consistency at the end of the day. But if it is light from the beginning, you're going to have a lighter end production. Do you understand? So when I was mixing it when it was cold, I found out that it was very thick. I had to add the extra water I kept before. All right, so at this point I am adding vitamin E, whitening glycerin, and preservative. I added 30 ml of each. All right, preservative is a must, because this thing, if it's well preserved, it can stay for like a year plus or to 2 years for you. So you would definitely need preservative. Normally whatever it is you're doing that requires water, you need to preserve it, but because it's going to stay for a while, unless you're just doing something just for a few minutes. Do you understand? But because it's going to stay for a while, you will need to add preservative to it. When you are done properly, put in an airtight container and store it. Your thick organic base cream is ready.